stop. Don't watch any other Aura versus LifeLock review if you're this close to choosing between them. I've made my own reviews and I've watched hundreds of YouTube videos reviewing Aura versus LifeLock. We all have the same promotional discount code and we all say the same thing. So I'm going to keep this short and simple. Aura and LifeLock do the exact same thing. They just do. Now, there are some subtle differences, like one tracking your mother's maiden name and the other tracking more previous addresses. But for the most part, they do the exact same thing. Now, if you are obsessing over those subtle differences, head down to the description below for those exclusive discount codes and links to the longer video. If I wanted to make it short and sweet, the headline would read something like, Aura just offers a better service at a cheaper price. Now, when I say better coverage, I mean the same thing that other reviewers have said about Aura, which is faster alerts when something is going on with your credit, better customer service, as well as more leaks found on the dark web. So overall, you just get more notification and a better overview over anything that could be happening with your identity. Here's what I feel most of these reviews don't emphasize enough or miss. The price difference is a massive deal. Because I technically lied to you, LifeLock does offer a cheaper plan that costs less than Aura, but let's go over what that plan actually offers. With LifeLock's cheaper plan, you get less of an insurance policy, which we'll get back to that later. The other significant thing is, when it comes to credit monitoring, it's only monitoring one credit bureau. Why would they even offer this? 3 credit bureaus should be standard in any plan, and they are offering these things to you for double the price. So if you want to have only one credit bureau monitored, then yeah, you can save some money. But when it comes to identity theft prevention, it doesn't really make sense. If you pull up to a fast food restaurant and you order the cheapest meal, yeah, you saved a bunch of money, but it's just a bag of fries. At the same time, you missed the meat of what you actually came for. Aura is a complete meal. You get the burger, the fries, and the onion rings. Now, I'm getting a little hungry, but you get the point. And this metaphor will make more sense in just a second. I'm going to tell you why most people, including myself, don't just get Aura, but they keep Aura. Complete coverage plus digital security consolidation. For the most part, Aura and LifeLock do the same thing within the right bundle, meaning with Aura, you get everything standard. You pay one price and you get all the digital services that you need for security. Whereas with LifeLock, you have to sign up for their Ultimate Plus package to get something that is comparable to what Aura offers just as a standard package. Do you see how Aura still wins? I mean, side-by-side comparison, again, let me remind you, Aura just is flat out faster at credit monitoring alerts, as well as data leaks on the dark web, and that 24/7 US-based customer service as well. You also get antivirus protection, a VPN, as well as a password manager that I trust more than Google's password manager. Aura is just one of those subscriptions that I keep beyond just testing for this channel. It's actually helped me consolidate a lot of my other subscriptions, so it's just coming out of one place. I mean, even if I didn't have this channel, I, at the end of the day, would still stick with Aura. If you're ready to go with any of the products I mentioned, check out the description below for exclusive discount codes that save you money and support the channel at no cost to you, which I always appreciate. This is Ro with Cyber Sleuth. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.